English toffee cookies give you the best of both worlds, from the dreamy taste of toffee to the buttery richness of shortbread. Easily customize them to your favorite nuts to suit your taste. You won't be able to eat just one. So grab a cup of hot cocoa. It's time to make some magic in Mrs. Kringle's kitchen. Hit the red subscribe button and click the bell to be notified when new videos go live. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees. In a mixing bowl, add 1 cup of softened butter and 1 cup of packed brown sugar and cream together until fluffy. Add 1 large egg yolk and blend to incorporate. Gradually add 1 cup of all-purpose flour until it's all combined. Butter a 13 by 9 dish and transfer the dough and spread evenly, making sure to get into the corners. Bake for 35 to 40 minutes or until the middle is solid. Sprinkle chocolate chips over the cookie base as soon as it comes out of the oven so it melts, like you see here. Then spread it end to end. Sprinkle Toffee Bits evenly over the chocolate so every piece has a good amount. Now add your chopped nuts evenly and coarse salt if you're using it on top, and allow to rest for an hour. I used a bench scraper to loosen the sides. Then cut into the desired squares and put into the fridge for an hour to harden the chocolate, making them easier to remove later. English toffee cookies have that rich, decadent toffee flavor that has become synonymous with the holidays. I don't know anyone that wouldn't love to get a little box of these in their stocking. These are also perfect cookies to ship to loved ones. For the full printable recipe, head over to mrskringleskitchen.com. Until then, here are a few more videos you may like. Don't forget to give a thumbs up.